My name's Gordon Howe. I'm the data engineer at LSC and currently our ERP is Epicor. As data engineer, I own all the data within the company, and a big part of that is the quality and how we use that data, particularly with accessibility for all of our staff within the company. And that's primarily where Phocas comes into it, particularly our account managers who are on the road, who just need data as they need it. They can quickly look at their dashboard, they can drill in on particular customers or through date ranges. No matter what department we're working with, everyone has something to do with Phocas. It is a huge part of our business. It lets them know how well we're on track. And there's a lot of company-wide goals that we have that we use Phocas to really give us the absolute accurate numbers that we need. If for any reason they don't have access to their dashboards, there's a state of panic. Using Phocas makes me feel like I know what's happening within the business at any point in time.